Hey guys, welcome to Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition. This is a game on Roblox. It's really cool and all. And this is a video of me just running around having fun, speaking from every now and then, and doing some little tour thing of the big update. So enjoy. By the way, I decided we're gonna start as a kit and work our way up, because that's fun. I'm gonna start off by saying I really like the water texture. It's beautiful, it's amazing, and yeah, this game just looks really cool so far. Well, this full release, it looks amazing, just in my opinion. Um, I know my friend here doesn't exactly agree. Well, according to her, she doesn't agree, which is fine, because not everyone has to like it. I mean, it's perfectly normal to prefer the older version from the newer one. I personally prefer the newer one because it looks more realistic and it looks really cool to me. So anyway, enough of me talking, enjoy the video. I have to say, when the tail goes up like this, it's really cute to me. I'm glad they added that, it's adorable. I think it looks amazing. Uh, yeah, anyway, enjoy. So here's my friend here. They're a great role player. Amazing, really fun and funny, very sarcastic. Their OCs also look really cool, and I'm just like spectating this whole situation here. I don't know what's going on, but like, yeah, everyone here, people are really good at making OCs. They look really cool in this game. As you can see, I only bothered to recreate 3 of my OCs so far, but I might recreate more in future or just make a random new OC. Yeah, anyway, that's all I have to say right now, so just watch the rest of the video and, you know, see what happens. Can I just say I've always loved how you can do that? Yeah, really fun. This looks so cute. I'm just gonna say that's adorable. Look at it. Now, I'm gonna say as well that the trees, they look really cool to me. They look interesting. A lot like Wildcraft, in a way. Um, I don't know, I like them. I think they look a lot better than the older ones, and I think they look cool. No, I don't know who this is. I'm just being weird. I'm so small. I'm not used to being small. I'm usually big. Time to advance to Apprentice. Yeah, they added this thing where you can like. Sorry about that, by the way. They added this thing where you basically just click grow up and you can advance to the next age without even having to go and remorph. Like, which is really cool and a lot easier to me. And as you saw earlier, creating a character is also different. You can just switch, which in my opinion is really cool. Yeah, and I'm just gonna say that the soundtrack to it, I mean, it's like around the same soundtrack, but it's still pretty cool. Regardless, I like the wind thing, those textures, really cool. Those trees in the distance look really realistic. sorry, I'm terrible at tours. I keep getting distracted. Anyway, this is the Starpedia, and as you can see, if you like click on different clans, you can teleport to like these places, and it tells you information on them as well. And same goes with like resources and stuff. See, I haven't discovered many of the herbs. They have some lore in it as well, which I think is really cool. And jeez, what else do I need to do? Okay, now there's more animations here. If you look, we have love sit, which was in the previous one. Sit, rest. Now the rest looks different. Yeah, and sleep, which also looks different. I mean, look at it. And backlay, which looks kind of different. Oh no, I forgot to do something. Let me just do something important. And we have crouch sit, which is this, and it looks really cool. Side sleep, which is good for like dead cats, and side rest. They removed the stretch thing, which is kind of cool. I mean, I don't know, kind of miss it, not gonna lie, but yeah. Anyway, those are the new animations. Oh yeah, they also label the dens, which is really cool because so like when you go next to near a den, you see the label pop up, unlike the other time where it doesn't tell you the label, and it really makes it a lot easier. So here we have the bridge, which looks very different, and it looks beautiful. That's the sun. The sun looks amazing. Uh, there's the gorge, which is a lot wider, prettier, and it also has like an entrance and an exit to the gorge, which it didn't have before. And I think that's amazing way to. Yeah, so if we go on to Wind Clan territory, we have like an entrance around here somewhere. Let's just hope there's no Wind Clan cats. Oh shit, there's a Wind Clan cat. Okay, anyway. So like, there's like an entrance to, this is Wind Clan camp. I think it looks amazing. I'm probably gonna get caught trespassing, but yeah. Oh well, therefore for having their clan right next to us. And down here, we have the gorge. Now, you can, so like, if you jump down here, instead of going up like the waterfall, you can go up here, which is cool. If you want to not die, or if you want to be like a ghost or something. I'm gonna go back now. You can do a lot more as well when it comes to making morphs, like with the whole patches with stripes and stuff. That wasn't there the last time. We didn't have mains either. You have to unfortunately pay for those, but yeah, they have some really cool new game passes. So when it comes to the dens, in RiverClan we have the warrior den right there. Nursery over there, where I should probably be sleeping now. We have the apprentice den, medicine den, elder den, and etc. Now I'm gonna hit grow up twice to be as big as I actually am. So I have the massive game pass, which makes me pretty damn big. Yeah, compared to most cats. Yeah. So that's all for today. We have River Clan and Wind Clan territories. I hope you enjoyed. I tried my best with this one. Next time I'll do Shadow Clan and Thunder Clan. Anyway, bye!